So this is how you can turn off two-factor authentication or 2FA on Instagram. Let's open up the app and now go to our profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now let's tap on the three lines, and what we're going to want to do next is go to the Accounts Center. Now, simply tap on Password and Security, and here we are. So as you can see, two-factor authentication is right here. And so you're going to want to tap on your account that you want to get rid the 2FA from. And basically, I don't really have 2FA right now, but if you do, you can turn it off with a click of a button. It's actually going to show you a switch where you can turn off 2FA. Whether you got the authentication app or the SMS, it's going to show you a switch. If you want to turn it off, you can simply do that by tapping on the switch. Then it's going to ask you if you really want to turn off two-factor authentication, and all you have to do is just confirm. Once again, to get to that screen, you're going to want to tap on Account Center, Password and Security, and two-factor authentication, and then go to the account where your two-factor authentication is. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.